love books.
Keep Reading Rolling is a summer reading program for our students. So they get to come and select a new book, snacks, they get to do art activities and building, STEM activities.
It's really fun because you get to learn how to read while having fun.
Studies show that over the summertime our kids are not doing that daily reading every day, and it shows, when they come back to school and they've dropped, 1 or 2 reading levels. So the main goal of this program was to provide book access for our kids.
I love the way they do this because they're helping the kids keep reading and keep their knowledge going throughout the summer.
I had all of the kids write down books that they want to read because we all know that when kids pick the books, if it's high interest, they're going to read it.
Love for my grandbabies to read all summer long. They love the books. It helps them to speak better, to make complete sentences, and they just have enjoyed it, and they're going to be a step ahead next year.
I've seen a lot of kids excited about the books that they come in, kids coming up and just hugging their books, so I love seeing that joy on their faces. We've touched a lot of lives this summer. So thank you to the Education Foundation for this experience.
Thank you, and I love your books.